Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we create this part in NX. Okay, let's start. We first need to create this top view sketch. So extrude, select X, Y plane. Then we create two circles, construct two circles equal. Make dimension 45 and create a line. We need construct this point onto X. Construct equal. The angle 40. This dimension 120, 16. And this diameter is 32. Trim the sketch. We need to add the two circles. Construct equal. Dimension 16. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. Finishing the sketch. The dimension is 16.5. Okay. Next, we need shell. Select all the face and the whole, the back. Oh, sorry. We need to add the ferrite. So edge blend this edge 60. Okay. Next we shell. Select all this face and the whole. The dimension 4 mm. Okay. So next we create the side feature. We need to select extrude, select this face and create the sketch. Construct tangent. Make dimension 7 mm. The radius 10 mm. And the angle 50. The lines 22. Okay, the sketch is fully constructed. Finishing the sketch. The direction will reversed. The dimension is 15. We need to select offside, so two sides. dimension is 4 minus 4, and the Boolean unit. Okay. Next, we need to validate the full validate. We need to select face blend. So select this face and mid face. The first face, second face, and the middle face. Okay. Next, we create a hole. So we need create a hole. Select this point. Dimension 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. Okay. Next, we need edge blend. Select this is 5 millimeter. Okay. Change the color. Hide the orange. Okay, we're finishing the. Oh no, 16.5. We come back. It's 16.5. Yes. We're finishing the part. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.